We know we are in a rapidly evolving higher education environment, and leaders in particular need to continuously develop skills that foster a culture of support and collaboration. Hello, my name is Audrey Linton, and I am the Programme Director for Aurora International and Aurora Community. I'm excited to be delivering the Leader as Coach workshop for women leaders who really want to embrace a coaching mindset. This one-day program will equip women leaders with tools to cultivate a coaching culture and develop a coaching approach that enhances their leadership capabilities. The focus will be on leaders developing key coaching skills to foster quality conversations, which build team performance, promotes clarity, and help others to reach their own solutions. Register now for our next workshop on 22nd of June.